Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get your Medi-Share member ID card online. If you don't have a Medi-Share account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, open the website Medi-Share.com. Then click on Sign In. Under Already a Member, you will see a button for Login. Click on Login. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the right part of the page. Click on View ID Card. On this page you will see your member ID card. At the upper right, you will see an option for Print Card. Click on Print Card. If you could print it directly, you could select the destination, and click on Print. But in this video, we're going to download this file. To save as PDF, click on the drop-down arrow on the destination field. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Save as PDF. Click on Save as PDF. After that, click on the Save button. That's how you get your Medi-Share member ID card online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.